Jessica versus.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Here's another episode of Jessica versus. I know it's been a while since I filmed an episode for Jessica versus, but here I am and we're back. Today, I'm gonna try to prepare food and a drink that JM hates. Yes, I'm gonna do something that JM hates in the hopes that he would like them or love them. First, we're gonna do tuna wraps and then I'm gonna make him a mojito. Actually, JM is not a fan of drinking anymore. JM loves shawarma, so for me to make him hate shawarma, I'm gonna replace the beef with tuna. First, we start with the sauce. You need the Greek style yogurt, so I'm just gonna put all of that here. Mishka's right next to me. The puppies are in the room because they would not stop making noise. This is the sauce, sorry, I don't think I said that. Garlic powder. If you have a blender at home, you could dice your garlic and then put them in the blender. I'm not really the kind of person who does measurements. I do base the taste on my own preference. So tikim-tikim lang from time to time. And I'll just mix. It already smells good. Smells good na, no yogurt pa lang siya ka-garlic. Sometimes I don't have to taste something to know its taste, I just smell it. Then I'm gonna put a little bit of black pepper. I have my iodized salt. I won't put a lot because I just thought I won't put a lot. The yogurt's gonna be super creamy, so hindi ko madidilute naman yung pagka-salty nito. Cayenne pepper, so just a dash of that. JM likes his food really spicy. I want to show you what the sauce looks like now. This is the consistency of the sauce. It smells so good. I hope in the future, like, technology could actually make you smell what you watch. Although I'm not sure how that's gonna work if you're watching a slasher movie or a horror movie. Next, we have to cut up some vegetables. Ready na ako. Andito na rin yung chopping board and my knife. Taylor's Eyewitness knife. This was a gift. Really love this knife. It works for everything. I know there's a bread knife, there's a steak knife, there's a butter knife, but if I find one knife that works for me, then I use it for all things I cut up. I start with a cucumber. I was taught to like dig my nails or my fingers on whatever I'm slicing so that there's a grip and you don't hurt yourself. I don't know how to slice fast. I take my time when I'm cutting up stuff. I'm only gonna make one tuna wrap. So that's that. Tomatoes. I was told to stay away from the seeds. Apparently, they get stuck in your kidney. White onion. You can go for the red onion, that has more flavor, but we realized that we like this one better because it's sweet. It's not too strong. Mishka's right next to me. She's so sweet. My eyes. Now we prepared the wraps. So nothing special about the wraps. I'm just gonna fry them. I would put butter, but I didn't buy butter. Sorry. Butter adds flavor. If you are more health conscious, you don't need butter. Tortilla. I got this from Select. I'm just gonna get one wrap. Put it on the pan like so. Oh. So over here, this is chunks in vegetable oil. This is my personal favorite. JM hates this. Fun fact. I don't feel comfortable opening cans that use this kind of mechanism. It makes me feel uncomfortable because I think I got hurt one time and I didn't want to do it again. It's really packed in there. I'm gonna put cream first, that sauce we did all over. We get some tuna, some onions. I love my food with lots of onions and garlic and butter and bacon, but there's no bacon for this dish. Tomatoes. Tomato. JM loves his tomatoes, so I'm gonna put a lot of tomatoes. Then some cucumber. I could just add some pepper for taste. And that, my friends, is your tuna wrap. I'm gonna take a photo because that's how people work nowadays. Okay, fill light. Ooh, let's do fill light. I'm gonna put some Lay's cheddar sour cream flavored chips on this side because he hates this flavor. I love it. Like so. Now we move on to the drink. I got a Collins glass. I'm actually not sure if it's a Collins glass, but that's what they call it. It should be tall if you're making mojitos. I'm gonna get my plant real quick. We actually bought mint leaves, fresh mint leaves. I'm gonna pick a couple. I'm just gonna get 10. And grabe, alam mo yung amoy ng double mint? It's so good. We got these plants in Aani. If you know, it's this market.
It's a weekend market.
It's a weekend market in FDI. I think this is enough. I have a handful. And what is that?
Braso and ube.
Ah.
Different.
I'll be back. Leaves inside. I couldn't find lime. I did find lime juice. A little bit of lime because it's only for flavoring anyway. Crush them together. It smells so good. Add sugar. Again, I don't do well with measurement, so we're just gonna see if that works. We'll just keep on crushing. Some white rum. I got Bacardi Superior Carta Blanca. I like my drinks strong. Friends know this. I don't like cocktails. I don't like mixing my liquor with anything else. I just like it on the rocks. So I usually go for a double shot of Jack Daniels on the rocks, which means on ice. Just saying. Doesn't have a stopper. Some soda water. This is Schweppes. It's Swiss. I think it's Swiss. Mix. Some ice. You could get crushed ice, that's better. Make sure you're of legal age before you try even drinking this mojito. I like it. I'm gonna put some cucumber. You don't have to, but I want to. I just feel like it makes the whole drink fresh. Now I should have done this first. I should have rimmed my glass with sugar. This was given to me by a friend. It has Stay Weird on my glass. It's so pretty. It says Stay Weird. Hashtag Jessicainyourhead. Thank you so much. A glass with lemon. I'm gonna dip it on my sugar plate. JM Godinez, join us. Very nice outfit you have there.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I don't like this.
Sige na. Yeah? Time for the mojito. Take note, it's my first time to try making one.
It's good. I don't drink though, so
I can have it.
You have yours.
Cheers. You like it?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. All right. So I guess I won this episode of Jessica Versus. I feel like I did well. Thank you so much for watching, and you stay weird.